Well, hello guys, legoshowtv here, and this time I'm reviewing the 70635 J Spinjitzu Master, 68 pieces, ages 6 to 14. As you can see, the front of the box has J, of course, and the name of the set. And then you can see the features of the set with the other ones. I have reviewed Zane, Kai, and also the one from the headquarters. So I know all I need is Cole and Nia and Lloyd. I may get the one with movie Lloyd, I don't know. I haven't exactly decided yet. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the minifigure real quick, and then I'm going to go downstairs and show you some tricks. And so let's get looking at the minifigure. Alright, so here is the minifigure and the little minifigure stand. Obviously you've got the little stand here with the for Jay, and then you've got the figure, which is very cool. And when you put his suit up into light, it really does give off a very cool effect when put in light. Maybe I'll be able to show you downstairs. You can see torso detailing, leg detailing. You know what the face looks like. It's the movie face. And then you can see the back detailing there. So yeah, that's basically it. Now let's move downstairs, where I can quickly do some tricks and hopefully not hurt the floor or the spinner too much. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so obviously I've got to be really careful when I do this. I'm not normally a big fan of doing it inside, but this is not the air jitsu, so yeah, I'm sorry for that little clipping. Is a fan switch above me. It's really annoying, but I'm going to try to do this the best I can and hopefully not scratch anything. But here we go. Here's the basic one. This is the you can see it. That is the basic spinning technique. So let's just do that again, and hopefully you're seeing this. So yeah, it kind of went off the screen there, but you can kind of see how that's done. You can also do it like here. Also do it like this. That went kind of off the thing there, but you can see you can also do it like that. Not as easy to get on this. Do like that, or you could do like I just did there. But it's trying to move it over. This is where I was doing it. But kind of do it like that, I guess. But yeah, I gotta be real careful. But that's about it. I'm gonna give all of these sets a 9 or a 8.5 at least, because the only thing good about them potentially is the minifigure. And yeah, that about concludes this review. I hope that did not scratch that. But yeah, that's about it. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I shall see you next time. Bye.